Market incentives of AI. Who benefits and why? So first question, why do you think companies are investing so much money in AI right now?
Because it can make a lot of money.
People are already using it a lot. People are going to be using it way more.
People are going to be drawn to it because it's new, it's different, it's fun to experiment with, it's fun to create things and do things with. So people are going to be more, more accepting to a bunch of AI.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And it is kind of been portrayed as like this new revolutionary technology, like how railroads and radios and like telephones were kind of went in that order. But I do wonder if maybe investments are becoming a little too centralized around AI.
Yes.
And like there's this term like we're in an AI bubble, I guess.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So who do you think benefits the most from AI users? Companies or investors?
Kind of a hard one.
Companies,
yes.
Because there's already so many different companies that run so many different AI things, ChatGPT, that you pay to make, like investors and consumers. Thank you. I was like producers, consumers pay to get to those advanced AI, which benefits the companies and whatnot.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Okay, so when companies design AI products, who do you think they are really designing them for?
Kind of both themselves and the people that they think will use it.
Well, they're designing it, for one, to make money. But also, I think they're like trying to think like they are the consumer and see what would this person like and what would they use. So,
and think about like I will cut me talking about like different kinds of industries, like what kind of like even for like things that everybody uses, bookkeeping. I was talking about bookkeeping stuff this morning to like Destiny. All of that has some AI in it now. Like QuickBooks all of a sudden has AI in it.
Well, like it's like AI is an entrepreneur, and the companies or any company starts as some entrepreneur makes a business, right? So I just lost my train of thought. So it's gonna tailor. It's going to find a group, just like and when we do our AI competitions and all of our app competitions, it picks a group, an age group, and goes for that age group and that set of people. So like if you make a business that's meant for like, I don't know, art supplies, you're targeting artists. So it's just targeting other people.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Exactly what I was thinking.
Okay.
Good job.
So how do ads, recommendations, and algorithms connect to a company profile?
Well,
So
algorithms are really designed now in social media. AI has been affecting people for years in social media. It's just like these it's just like these large language models that are just now like causing AI to get a bunch of attention. But algorithms have been built into social media for like a really long time now. And essentially what these algorithms do is they keep people's attention for longer and longer so that ads and recommendations can make more money and generate more revenue.
Mm-hmm. So how do free AI tools make money if users aren't paying?
We looked this one up. Because we're like, what? We actually used AI.
Wait.
Didn't say it used
ads.
Data.
Yeah, and it uses your data to kind of evolve.
It evolves to, so then when you have advanced, like in ChatGPT, they have an advanced AI that you pay for. So it makes that advanced AI stronger from what you do. So it makes you want to buy it because it's stronger than what you're using, the free version right now.
Yeah, and it's like that. The base model is going to be the free version, but then if you want the fancy new AI, you pay a little bit more, and then it gives you the really, really good AI model, which they're basically the same.
So like if a user isn't paying, then more likely than not, the user is the product, sort of.
Yeah.
How do you feel about that?
I mean,
it doesn't directly collect your data. It's kind of just like, what are you doing? But still, that's kind of creepy that it's like
sees how like you
listening to everything
things.
that you say.
Yeah.
Okay, So how could market incentives affect privacy and personal data?
Well, personal data is worth a lot,
Mm-hmm.
so like it's kind of an incentive for AI to like be able to use our personal data to like generate more revenue.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So how might AI change future jobs because of business incentives?
Oh my goodness. I already know.
Everybody knows about this.
Who was it? Sylvia and I. We were talking to our old teacher, and she
We were
was
drinking.
talking about how now at her work, she does not design the websites herself. She has to guide an AI to design it instead. So AI is just, it's kind of taking over, and it's working on its way to taking over jobs that some people who do not have the opportunities to get better jobs can't get them anymore, because AI is taking over the certain minor jobs that some people can't. Like some people don't go to college, what makes it harder for them to get like a higher job that AI can't take over yet, but they can take over the smaller jobs that they can apply for.
But I was thinking, at the base of all businesses is to make money. There might be like some other things like, oh, we want to make the world interesting because of this, but at the base of it, it's always money. And so if you have a ton of workers that are doing this one job that can be easily replaced by some type of AI, they're going to go for that AI so that they don't have to pay all these workers to do this
Yeah.
job that can be basically done for free.
Yeah.
I mean, I wonder like if the environmental cost of AI almost like costs companies more than hiring a person.
Right?
Mhm.
So there is that possibility, even though there are like certain businesses that are like pushing for total automation of like all jobs except of course like computer programmers, which is the people that like own those corporations are. I just think that maybe the environmental cost is like too high for it to do that right now.
So last one, if girls and young people help design AI, how might incentives change?
I feel like there'd be a lot of slang in AI if we did.
You can already change it to do that, actually.
Actually?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, you can even like see it. Like if you talk to AI, like it does kind of match the person that's like
That's
talking
crazy.
to
I
it.
didn't really
So
realize that.
like, if it was like if AI was designed and used by girls and young people, I almost wonder if it would learn to like be less unequal to the views of girls and young people.